My GE dishwasher just beeps 3 times and won't start. The lights on the sensor flash when closed.
What happened just before the light on your GE dishwasher came on?
Nothing. I just went to start it like normal and it just beeps and the lights flash.
How long has this been going on with your GE dishwasher? What have you tried so far?
It started out of nowhere today. Worked fine yesterday. I tried holding down the start button and cycle button for 5 seconds. Then I unplugged it for minutes and plugged it back in. Then I tried to straighten the dishwasher in the frame.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nothing I can think of. It's worked fine until just now. It beeps 3 times and all the lights blink.
Hello, this is Mark. I'll be assisting you today. Ignore the phone call request pop-ups, unless you want a phone call. Those are automatically sent by the site, not me. You will see them pop up. If you do not want a phone call, ignore them.
Okay, great.
Can you please provide me with the full model number of this so I can look up what I'm trying to diagnose?
GDT535 PSJ2SS.
My apologies, I had to have my car looked at by insurance, back now. One moment. Typically when the light flashes 3 times when you press start. There is an issue with the door not closing properly or the switch not working on door latch. Are you able to get the buttons to work and select different cycles? First thing I would try though is to shut off breaker to the dishwasher for 5 minutes, then power back on. That will reset the computer control on the dishwasher and possibly clear the error. If that does not work, then make sure door closes all the way fully and is latching correctly.
I am. And that was my thought too. I have a brand new door latch which I put in myself and that's worked now for months, but it's not latching now for some reason. Which makes me think it's off balance somehow. I did that already. Unplugged it for 10 minutes but it didn't do anything. I'm just not sure why it's not latching. It closes all the way. It's just not then latching.
Yes, it could be out of alignment. There are 2 leveling legs at the bottom front of dishwasher. They are threaded legs that you can raise or lower to level out the dishwasher.
Okay, let me check that out.
You can closely inspect the strike and latch to see if they are damaged or out of alignment. If the strike looks good, then I would just replace the door latch again. Here is a link to the part if you need it, https://www.appliancepartspros.com/GE latch tub side WD21 by 10490 app 5668411.html.
It's brand new. I hope that's not the issue.
Well, the only reason I mention that is because if the dishwasher gets out of level and alignment, it can cause the door latch to get damaged or stuck in a certain position. But you should be able to level it out with those 2 leveling legs on the front.
Right, that makes sense.
But you should be able to get it leveled and aligned better by raising or lowering those legs on the bottom. That should do the trick and get the door aligned properly for it to latch.
I'm trying that now.
No hurry, I'm standing by.
Bummer, it's completely level now but doing the same thing. It's just not engaging the lock.
The latch could be stuck closed, which makes it next to impossible to get it out of that. Sometimes that happens with the latch if the unit was not level when you closed the door before. Or try to. Easiest thing to do is just replace the door latch. If this is less than a year old, you can call for an in-warranty repair service to come replace the door latch for you under warranty.
Yeah, it's 3 years old. Frustrating. I just replaced the latch 2 months ago, so that's frustrating too. Thanks for your help, anyway.
Yes. It can be frustrating, sorry for your frustration. But at least this is not a really expensive repair. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. I'd be more than happy to answer any other questions or clarify anything for you. Doesn't affect what you pay at all, just whether or not the site pays me for my time. You can give your rating by selecting one of the 5 stars located on the top right of the question page. Have a great day.
Will do.
Thanks so much. How to rate, https://www.justanswer.com/help/how do I rate answer.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.